Hey, what's up guys? Beat-Up coming at you here. Today we're going to be talking about Weathertech's exchange policy for those of you guys who might have any products in your vehicle that are WeatherTech. Now for those of you guys who aren't too familiar with WeatherTech, they make a variety of products. They make things like floor liners for the first and second row of your vehicle. They make cargo liners. They make cup holder accessories, phone mounts, all sorts of things. And I went ahead and posted a video link to my prior video reviewing the WeatherTech floor liners in my Jeep Rubicon JL and how the fitment was not too great for the first row, meaning the front row. Back row, second row fit great. First row, not too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a couple pictures, you guys, just so you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to the gap in the first row with the driver's side and passenger side. So here's the gap I'm referring to. So after I made that video, you guys, and took those pictures, I decided to give WeatherTech customer support a call. And their phone number I've also posted here in the description below, just so you guys can call them if you have to for yourself. But I had let the representative know that this is my second purchase ever with WeatherTech. The first go around I had the Weathertechs in my Subaru STI Limited. They fit super great. Didn't have any problems with them at all in the first or second row. But with the Jeep Rubicon, they're not fitting too well. They got a huge gap on each side, and the fitment I was just not too impressed with. And I had asked her if there's anything that they're able to do. And she had pulled up my order and told me that as long as I have the vehicle, as long as I am the owner of the vehicle, they will replace anything I order for free. And I was like, really? I had no clue. It came to a really good surprise. Like, it was quite the surprise. So what she did is she had placed a new order for me. She told me that the mats would arrive within 5 to 7 business days through FedEx shipping. And I got my new floor liners today. Here's my new first row WeatherTech floor liners, guys. 2 liners in the same box. Got them for free. Just with the click of a button. Chloe, are you happy about that, honey? Yes. Okay, I know you're excited. Yes. I got them with just the click of a button by making a simple phone call to let them know that I was not happy with the fitment and sent them pictures as proof of what was going on. And then they were more than happy to send me a new pair. So that's all you got to do, guys. If you're not happy with the fitment, snap some photos, let them know if there's a gap going on. Then you just want to call up customer support. Like I mentioned, link is in the description below. Send them your photos, let them know what's going on, and then they will gladly send you a replacement pair for as long as you own the vehicle. All right, everyone, so this is what the new WeatherTech floor liners look like in my 2019 Jeep Rubicon 2-door JL for the first row after being replaced by WeatherTech. As you can see here on my passenger side, they fit great. There's no gapping over here like before. And on this side here on the carpeted area, there's no gapping as well either. So this is how they look without anyone having sat on this side since they've been installed. So there we have it for the passenger side. Now moving on to the driver's side. A little bit different story on this side though, guys. As you could see, there is still a slight gap right here on the driver's side. It does not fit as flush as the passenger side does. Fits pretty well along this portion right up in here, but it starts to kind of bow right in here on that area. Definitely not as bad as it was before, so that's good. And then over here on the carpet, it fits really nice and tight as well on the carpet. So I hope that this video was helpful, you guys, just to let everybody know about WeatherTech's return or exchange policy if you're unhappy with your product. Definitely I'm glad that I called them as mentioned prior. And I hope that you guys have a great day, and I hope that this video is able to help those of you who have any WeatherTech products know more about the exchange process. So thanks again for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and until my next video. Bye guys.